Situated within Pickering's sought-after Forestbrook community and a showcase of stunning curb appeal and pride of ownership, welcome to 1537 Eagleview Drive. Nestled on a corner lot and meticulously maintained inside and out, this John Boddy Bridlewood model features a brick, stone and stucco exterior, a two-car garage, interlocking driveway and front walkways, mature trees and landscaped gardens, as well as a fully fenced yard with a visually appealing garden shed. This home also features an unspoiled lower level that offers wonderful transformation potential to complement the approximately 2,100 square feet of incredibly bright living space of the main and upper levels. Beyond the double door entry is a tiled foyer with a mirrored door coat closet as well as a powder room, and wide plank premium laminate flooring flows throughout the main hall and into the formal entertaining spaces, both which have French door entries. A soft color palette complemented with beautiful natural lighting accentuates the exceptional size of the living room, which can accommodate multiple conversation areas, and its large bay window allows for lovely outdoor views, while light diffusing blinds on all the windows offer privacy when needed. The cool color palette of the formal dining room is accented with the elegant details of chair rail and a contemporary light fixture, and its oversized window has a light diffusing privacy blind as well. Across from the dining room is breakfast room seating around a peninsula with a granite counter, which matches the granite counters of the beautiful and efficiently designed modern kitchen. Featuring a side-by-side fridge freezer, dishwasher, double undermount sink, as well as a stainless steel oven and built-in microwave, the kitchen has a gorgeous mosaic tile backsplash and crisp white cabinetry with amazing storage, while a walkout from here provides access to the driveway and the side yard. Just off the breakfast area is a laundry room with washer, dryer, and built-in cabinets, the stairs to the lower level, and access to the garage off the staircase's mid-landing. A carpeted staircase with hardwood handrail leads to the impressively sized mid-level family room. Another naturally bright space, and featuring a brick fireplace, track lighting, and the coziness of carpeting, this warm and inviting room is ideal for casual get-togethers with friends and perfect for quality time with family. The upper level also has cozy carpeting throughout its hallway and in all three bedrooms, and features a light-washed and brightly finished common-use 4-piece washroom. The second and third bedrooms are both comfortably sized and have great closet storage, while the second bedroom additionally features a contemporary light fixture as well as a bay window with 2 accent windows. The master suite has a double door entry and is very generous in its size. Its ensuite washroom has a corner glass shower, a separate soaker tub with ceramic surround, as well as a contemporary vanity with storage shelving, quartz counter, and undermount basins. The spacious walk-in closet has organizers, while the bedroom itself can easily accommodate a sitting area, and both of its windows allow for abundant natural lighting as well as front and side yard views. Walking distance to William Dunbar Public School, numerous neighborhood parks, a local shopping plaza, public transit, and places of worship, this home is also close to Pickering Town Centre Mall and the GO Station, and is just a short drive to a wealth of recreational and community facilities, city attractions, Pickering's waterfront, and for access to Highway 401.